you don't play Candy Crush.
I'm not showing. Come.
I have one there.
Take Candy Crush like man.
Yo, you know what?
Eh?
We have flip this
I
script.
choose that me there. Little bit me there.
Flip this script. I just kill her instead.
Kill me.
Right, that's what I kill you in front of people.
Me a movie where me have beat a man. Like how you
That's
want.
cool, man.
Yeah, that's the
That's cool, man.
Oh you mean?
Let me get happy for you, man.
Me be one of them ruffian there. Catch all the girl with my man and beat him up.
That girl have clap. That's a bad man.
Can I give one clap?
Glock. I'm like this.
You
I
don't
guess what?
understand anything. You don't know where we're at that
Yeah, make a gun show, no worry.
I don't go to prison.
Do I give it to you?
You ready? Take 3.
Babes.
Baby, you're nice and clean.
So, undo what this one under talk to them, Mr. Wagwan.
Alright. What time they say your mother come up high school?
Don't remember.
I didn't know if you remember. Look. Look at me, Tati.
That bad, you know? That bad.
Yeah.
That bad. Stay away, sir.
You know what they look like you pick up your parents in regular? Alright, so if I after lunch then, see? After lunch at what time are you school?
1 o'clock.
You know how bad? Me know I talk to you now. I mean, like she has spent I guess 1 o'clock. Me say, me I talk to you?
Yeah.
Me not talk to you like while you're not.
That bad, yeah. Yeah, that bad, yeah. Get that way there. So, when you question she answer. When you question she answer.
And then after a while now, the mother come in. And it's like Western.
30 seconds, yeah.
If I write this, so she's supposed to can
2 minutes,
you. Talking about it, so no.
Yes, sir?
2 minutes.
Alright then.
When I say that teacher, they breed out the class, you know? Yeah, girl. Miss here yesterday, I didn't speak. You pick me ugly.
I like see her, I don't like see her.
You one of them a follow, Apple and Jenny, you whole of them.
Am I right here for them goose cook?
You remember when Apple did meet, the wife when they come to school and the police, and Apple go tell the man, no, she not no man. She a virgin.
Girl, I'm your ex-boyfriend, you know?
Me say,
I just I don't like you, girl.
Apple go tell the man, say she a virgin.
And I am
yes,
too.
the mother's sister.
What about this?
And when the man go there, the man left her instant because she liked it. Come like say I did, she did make the man left her. Because she don't tell the man, say no, she a virgin.
No,
And
I
when the man
beat
go
you,
there,
girl.
he beats her. Nobody can beat me.
No, sir.
I don't know what I'm going to do for them life because I'm not paying school for any cut class.
And then
That teacher-
I every party them there, then they
I feel like
every
I can't find it.
I can't pay them school fee.
Every day you see them in a big hairstyle. Come and see them today. Come and see them today here every week. I can't pay that one like a school fee.